Hello guys, I'm Azhar, and in this video I will show you how to link buttons and labels. So here we have imported the tkinter module and we have made a window called root and we have put that window in a loop. So first what we will do, we will make a label. For this I will make an object called label1 and it will be from class label and it will be placed on windows called root, and its text will be here. Previously we were using this argument text and it will be something like, for example, text, but in this session I will use text variable, not just text. I will use text variable and it will not be equal to this hard text, but it will be equal to some variable called variable text. So what is the benefit of this? Its benefit is that whenever we click our button, which I will make in the next, which I will make after this, whenever we click that button our text will be changed. So here we have made the text variable equal to a variable called variable text, right? And we will make that variable here called variable text, right? And it will be from class string variable. It is a very important class. It provides us very important functions. And here after that I will use a function from the class string variable, which is set. So what will this variable do? It will assign the text which will be written in these quotes to this text variable, and this text variable as here is equal to this variable. So the label1 will contain that text. Here, for example, I am here writing label1. So this label1 will be a text of this variable. Now we have to place the dot pack function. So there are two ways to place the dot pack function. One is in this line we can add like dot pack, but then we cannot use this object, as if we do not place this dot pack here in this line, this class will return us an object and we can use it later. But if we place here dot pack, then this will not return any object, it will return none. So what will I do? I will remove this from here and I will add it here. So now we can use our object, right? So our function is our label is ready. Now let's run this. So as here you can see we have a label in which text is label1. Now what will I do? I will make a button, and button is from class button, and this I will place it in the root window, and after that I will write the text, and its text will be, for example, change text, right? And after that I will write the command, and the command will be a function and its name will be change text, for example, right? And I will place dot pack here, as we do not need the button to be used later. So here I will define a function change text, right? After that I will write here, when the button is clicked, what will it do? It will change this text to the text is changed. So what will I do? I will call this variable text, right? and after that I will set the text to the text is changed. So here let's try. As you can see, here we have a label and a button. So I will click this button, and here, as you can see, the text is changed. So now we can also change the other properties like color, text color and font by clicking this button. So what will I do? I will call the label object which we have made. It is label1, and I will use a function called config. And in this function I will enter the background color to be blue and the foreground color to be white and the font to be, for example, Times. Right, so let's run. Here we have a button and a label. So I will click this button, and as you can see, the background color is blue and the foreground color, which is the text color, is white, and the font is Times. So we can make other buttons like this. We have some more buttons. Button 2, right, its text will be button 1, and command I will call here function 1, right, here function 2 dot pack. After that we will have a third button. We'll place it in the root window. Text will be button 3, and here command will be function 2. Here the command will be function 3, right. So we have these 3 buttons, and we have one label, and this function will be, for example, function 1, right, and I will change this text to this is text 1, for example. This is text 1, right, and these will be the properties. Now after that I will make another function called function 2, and this will be, I will change the variable text to this is text 2, right, and I will set the other properties which are colors to background color to, for example, red, foreground color to, for example, black, and font sans serif f have, just leave it to Times, right. We have another function called function 3, and here I will change the text to this is text 3, and I will change the other properties like background color to yellow, foreground color to blue, and font again to Times. You can change fonts, but I am setting here to times now. So let's try this. So as you can see here, we have three buttons: button 1, button 2, button 3. Now if I click button 1, as you can see, let me show you here, the background color is blue, foreground color is white, and the font is Times, and the text is this text 1. Now we have another button which function is, so if I click this button, as you can see, the background color is red, foreground color is black, and font is Times. Now I have third button which will change the text to text 3. The background color will be yellow and the foreground color will be blue, and the font will be Times. So let's see. So here, as you can see, so in this way you can link buttons and labels. So I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like, so hit like button, and if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.